How to create electronic signature or e-signature on your Adobe Acrobat. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily add your e-signature on your Adobe Acrobat application. So first thing what you want to do is simply head over to your Adobe Acrobat and make sure you have successfully installed it, and once you open it, under your application interface you can see there is an option called open a file. So to work with the PDF you can get a lot of options like fill and sign, edit your PDF, request e-signature, lots of options like that. You can also see all tools from over here by simply selecting it. So since we are opening our PDF, so once you click on your open a file button from over here, you'll see your PDF files. So simply select any one of your PDF file and just open it. As you can see, I've already opened my PDF file, and from over here what you want to do is simply head over to your left section of the screen and scroll all the way down until you see. If you don't see the option, simply select on view more and you can see there is an option called fill and sign. So what you want to do is simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, just click on this add signature button over here, and from over here what you need to do is you can either draw your signature or type your signature with the text, or you can also put an image on your signature. So let me just draw my signature from over here. So once you do that, simply hit the apply button and it should be applied. And you to use your signature anywhere on your PDF, so you can simply tap on your screen just like that, and you can adjust wherever you want your signature to be. So and you will be successfully added your signature under your left section here, and you can save it as well. So that is exactly how you can easily create an e-signature on your Adobe Acrobat application. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.